Hey everyone, today's video I want to talk about how to move files within a SharePoint document library. You probably landed on this video because you're trying to figure out how to move files. You're probably on your document library right-clicking on this file and wondering where the move or copy to is. It's just not there. It's not under more or anything. I've had several customers get frustrated with this kind of feature. In order to move this document to that folder, what you need to do is actually click on the Documents library within the navigation menu, not within the web part in the previous screen. Once you're in the actual Documents library, from here you can right-click on the document, and then your context menu will be quite more expanded, where you will actually have the ability to move to the folder. You move that file by clicking the folder, then clicking Move Here, or you can simply grab the file, drag and drop it. And that is basically it. That's how you move files within a document library. You want to make sure you're in the document library, not in this limited web part. You can also get to the Documents library from the gear cog and going to Site Settings and Documents, but it's much easier just to click on Documents in the left-hand navigation menu. I hope this helps somebody who's frustrated. You can see from the context menu, you have other options like adding shortcuts, downloading, renaming, various other options here that aren't available to you from the actual home page's document web part, rated with that limited functionality of the web part found on SharePoint for the document library. If you liked what you heard and I did help you out, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll be posting a lot more helpful videos in the near future. Take care.